Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Josh, as you may know, and this is my beautiful 79 Corvette, as you may know as well. In today's video, this is just gonna be a quick video. It's just mostly showing you guys a couple of updates that I've done to the car and things that I think you should do because I personally think it looks very, very cool. I didn't get a chance to record a lot of these things, so I wanted just to simply go over them and show you guys what's behind the new updates, how they got managed to be made, and whether you guys think it's a yes or a no. So if you guys have any comments, please leave them down in the comment section, like and subscribe, and I will keep you posted with new and upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so let's get the first one out the way. This is the side pipe exhaust or the side outlet exhaust. These are Flowmaster's FX, which is a cylindrical or a tube muffler to give the car some tone. Before, as you guys know, I cut the exhaust that was running to the back, or the side out, the back outlets, and left pretty much a headers straight pipe, and it was too much. I think it was very loud. It didn't really have a tone. It was just loud, rattling, and just very aggressive. And I think that for this type of car, or this model, it just didn't look right. I prefer something that's more dimmed but has some tone to it. So this is very nice. It has a very nice aggressive tone when you idle, and it also kicks in really nice whenever you're driving at higher speeds without causing drone in the cabin. So I was very happy. Take a listen. So you guys let me know what you guys think. Next upgrade that I did was, I don't know if you guys remember, but I went ahead and painted the side skirts or the side rockers with VHT enamel, matte black. If you guys want to look at that video, I'm putting it right over here. But anyways, I went ahead and wrapped the skirt. I just thought the shiny look just looks way better, and I'm very happy with it. It definitely gave the car a different look, and I just think it looks a little bit more updated. It kind of fits in with the new style Camaros and the new style Corvettes, where they have that kind of black skirt around it. So I think it looks really, really cool. And with the black exhaust tip, I think it just gives it a nice little finish. So I ended up doing that. It took me a while to wrap them, so I was not able to create a video on that. There's plenty of videos on YouTube that you can see how to do it. I used a couple of videos on YouTube to kind of guide myself through it. But yeah, that's what I ended up doing, and it came out really good. I was very happy with it. So that's the second update. And last but not least, I went ahead and carbon fiber wrapped panels on the car, and I am very happy with this. So the fabric that was under is pretty much this, which I left to kind of give it a little bit of a cushion, but I went ahead and wrapped it because I was just simply tired of looking at it. It just kind of gave me this like old kind of look, which you kind of have throughout the car. And although I love the way it looks, I just wanted something that could match my gear shift kind of boot, as I have that theme kind of going out through the car. So I went ahead and did it. I was kind of bored, and I figured, let's do it. I wanted to do a YouTube video, but I ended up running out of staples. I ended up running out of fabric. I ended up running out of a whole bunch of things. So I was like, ah. So I ended up just doing it behind the camera scenes and just finishing it right away. But like I said, very happy with it. I think it looks great. I did it on both sides. So yeah, you guys let me know what you guys think. Now here's the bonus round. So I wrapped the panel rockers on the car, which came out really good. And I figured, you know what, now that I'm an expert at wrapping things, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap a couple of other things. So I went ahead and wrapped the horn cover, and I think it came out very good. There's a few things that, like, there's a few ones here that didn't line perfectly, but I think it came out really nice from what I had it. Here's the problem. While I was wrapping it, I was installing it and I was doing the video, and I was very happy about it, and I ended up pressing it too hard, and I ended up breaking the system behind it or whatever the connection behind it. So the car got stuck into honking mode at about 1 in the morning. So it was not good, but I ended up breaking the plastic screws that pretty much aligned everything together and separate the connections, or the connections that cause the horn to work. So I went ahead and bought a new one, and I will be showing you guys a video soon on that. Hopefully I don't break it again, but if you guys are interested in seeing a full installation, please feel crack on this video, and then let me know what you guys think. But I will be doing a quick video on how to reinstall with a brand new system. Anyways, with that being said, guys, if you guys have any questions or comments, please let me know. If you guys like any of the upgrades or updates that I did to the car, please let me know as well, because I'm very, very happy with them. And yeah, feel free to like and subscribe. Shoot me any comments that you have, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.